Hello and welcome everyone. Before getting started with today's video, I'm going to be doing my daily giveaway, and today I'm going to be giving away one of these iCarSoft CR Plus OBD2 scanners. And since I love this scanner so much, I'm going to be giving one away to one of you lucky viewers, and all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment down below on this video. And I'm going to be selecting all the winners for every single giveaway that I'm having this month on December 31st, 2018. So please stay tuned for that by subscribing. And now let's get started with the video. Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I have my E550 W211 and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to remove the center control panel, which includes our emergency signal, the locks, ESP, basically this whole control panel and how to remove it. I'm going to be removing it because I'm installing this new color wood that I have across my car as well. So if any one of your switches aren't working or you want to replace the color of your wood, this is how you do it, so please follow along. So the first step is to remove this shifter knob assembly. I have another video posted for that, so please check out the card above. But once it's removed, we're going to remove the ashtray. And it's not mandatory for you to remove the cable. We could just place the ashtray on the side. Next, to remove this panel, you're going to be using a T20 screwdriver, and there are two screws underneath. And then one parallel to the screw that we just removed. Now that the screws are out of the way, we're going to pull the panel. Before you remove any cables, make sure your car is completely off. So here's my old panel, and here's the new one that I'm going to be replacing it with. And to install the new panel, I'm going to reconnect the wiring and put it right back into place. Once it's in, we're going to reinstall the two screws. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this video helped you guys out, please give it a like and share. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.